Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make two pages on one page in PDF using Microsoft Word. If you are creating the document in Word and want it to be the layout side by side on a single page before converting it to a PDF. First you need to open your document in the Microsoft Word and click on the View tab and click on the multiple pages. And here you can see that I have 6 pages. And then head to the Layout tab on the ribbon and click the small launcher arrow in the bottom right corner of the page setup group to open the advanced dialog box. So under the margin tabs, find the multiple pages drop down menu and here it is. And now select the 2 pages per sheet. Click on that. Here you can see that the preview. So if you want to convert into the landscape, you can just select it. This is the perfect for the PDF viewer and click OK to proceed. And now go to the file, click on the save as, drop down the save as document and select the PDF and name it whatever the name you want it. Click save, OK to apply. And that's all for the today. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.